In this video, we learn about how we can add the scrolling vertical in a container layout. So let's start. First, practice page. First, I add the container. And select container and set padding. Five, 100 and its width and height configure 300. Now I add one layout inside the container, column layout. Column layout added. Inside the column layout I add the container. So I set its background color secondary. It is a one child, and I duplicate this container, and its background I will change here, ternary, and again I duplicate this background color blue. Again I duplicate this page, this color change. Again I duplicate this page and color will change from here. Now here what we do, first create one container. Inside the container one column layout added, and column has 5 child elements. So currently overlap because of container has no any vertical scrolling, so it is a overflow. So now first we see result. What, first start the project. Now project is started, but we can see that containers child elements is overlap. So now we are going to Flutterflow editor, and here select container and containers column, and here scrollable option, two option. So first is do not allow to scrolling, and the second option is for scrolling. So I want to select allow scrolling. Now we can see that it is also scrolling on a UI builder. Now save project and going to do instant reload for the reflection of our changes. Now project is refreshed, and here now we can see that here one scrolling is shown here. So this way we can add the scrolling to column layout.